One Conversation.
And today we have a rather heavy topic. There is what if happen if social media disappear. If you're curious, let's watch our video.
Nowadays, I think we are coming into digital era, right, guys? And I think the existence of social media is becoming crucial part of our life.
Yes,
And
exactly.
what could happen if social media disappear? Could you imagine, guys, life without social media anymore?
No social media like no Instagram, YouTube,
That's
TikTok.
what I mean.
I think at first, like it will be so part in my life. Like I think what I supposed to do with my phone if there's no social media. And I think my screen time of phone is will really drop, right?
And I think without social media we can know about news like very fast. Sorry.
Your hand, nice.
Okay. We can know about news that happens in our life because every news are spread through social media, right? And I think we will back to the old days, like we have to know the news through television. Yeah, like that.
And maybe people will back by a newspaper because in this era newspaper is not really popular because a lot of people can read the news on their phone, right?
Yes.
Also, I don't think the disappearance of existing social media is a good thing since in nowadays there's so many of jobs that use social media such as like Shopee affiliate and what is it content creator and influencer and many of them the jobs that needs creativity like for it to be run will eventually disappear also without the existence of social media itself.
Oh, I agree with Atta opinion because I I also think about the brand like who sells their product globally and make their promotion through at social media, and I think the companies would lost their customer overnight.
Yeah, that's true.
Same as you all, guys. I also think that because social media now provide convenience for us. I mean, like it supports our education, or like you say just now, like how we got information from social media. It's so fast, right? And we can know everything about every occurrence in this world just by just by looking for at Instagram or others.
I don't think I can add a little more filter than that, but I do agree with all you guys' statement. But yeah, social media is the embodiment of what world we live in right now because this world is rapidly improving, rapidly advanced toward better technology or something like that. So if we live, if anything, we live without social media, right? That that will be contradictory to the world we live in right now because everything is revolved around the technology, right? Social media. We utilize social media to make everything good about our, you know what I mean, right?
Yes, yes.
So, maybe like that.
Okay.
That's very good statement, Dennis. And I also think that our life will be so boring without social media because we can watch funny videos anymore or memes like that. Like we just watch news on television. I can imagine.
Yeah. Social media is what makes me want to learn English.
Oh yes.
So, if there's no social media, I don't think I would like very well.
Uh, but we will lose like so much connection, right? In the social media we connect with a lot of people, like in the Instagram we have followers that we have to their daily life. And if social media, maybe the connection will disappear. It's not good for our life too. We lost a lot of people. A lot of
Yeah, so yes, you are correct, Indra. I think by using social media, we can keep our communication or connection with people that far away from us. We can still know their condition by what calling them or connecting with them by social media, right? So I think social media have both of positive and negative impacts for our life, as we mentioned just now.
is that fine?
Also, if you guys think the purpose of the technology itself is to make human have the easier way to get something, right? Also, with the existence of social media itself, if you compare both technology and social media itself, like a cake without the cream, it's so plain. If you can imagine. Also, the purpose of social media itself is like what Jing said, to connect people from the distance itself. Like we can connect from other countries too with social media. And, that's why social media exists.
How?
So guys, I have one question for you all. Does social media disturb your focusing on study, guys? I mean, now we are in college, right? So we have to more focus on studying, not like we were in high school. I mean, our task is more than what when we were in high school. So, do you think that social media disturb us or
As a college student,
yes, or help you?
Yes, but sometimes social media is really helpful if we don't know how to do it with our assignment, right? Oh, sorry. We can search the material on the Google or AI like that. I think it's more a negative impact on our as a college student besides a negative impact for me in my opinion. And how about you guys?
For me, besides the negative impact, if social media disappear, it also have a positive impact. Like we more focus studying in real life without distraction from social media. Like we more focus learn the materials from books and not okay.
Dependence. Dependence.
We're not depend
Dependence.
dependence with our phone while studying.
But what if we find like difficult question and where we can find like the answer if there's no social media? It's difficult too, right?
Also, there's a library for a reason.
Yeah, but we need more time if that we could find the book that really help us.
If you can find it by yourself, you can just ask people who really know about it.
It also enhance our critical thinking while
Yes.
studying, right?
I think so.
Okay. You wanna say something, Dennis? And if
Repeat the question.
what?
Could you repeat the question?
Repeat the question.
Question what? My question?
Yes.
If there is no social media and I know we can if there is a social media, what if we have a difficult question like some and as usual we can find the answer or material in the social media, right? And what if social media disappears? There is no more like application that we could find the material on the answer. It will make us disappear if we find a difficult question.
There's
Let's
something.
say like it we can find it in delivery. But I think if spend
Just
so much
obsolete way. Actually, this is something from social media, a saying that called like this. It's from meme. It's from meme. It goes like this. Reject modernity, embrace tradition. So what I'm saying is, if there's no social media, there's no what is it? No other choice but to do everything like we used to do back then.
and maybe we can find a new hobbies. Oh,
Yeah,
we can read more book or maybe exercise like
Yeah.
that.
yeah, you know. Yeah, reading book physically is more fun than digitally.
if social media disappear, our life would become calm, and more focused. You know, if we gathering with a lot of people, there is so much a friend of my friend focus on their phone besides talking with us. They're focused on their phone, and maybe if social media disappear, it's better for our communication too, right? Yes.
Yes, I agree with you, Nindra. I think when we used to scroll social media all the time, like we consume so many contents that I mean like fast information, but that can make us what? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, but it also cause like brain rot, right? So I feel in this era our life goes so fast because we what
Well,
we used to consume so many information in the short time, and we our focus is decreasing.
yes. And I'm curious, what is your opinion? How would people communication without social media? You know, in this era we have WhatsApp, right? We can texting with people and we will get the answer. And what if there is no WhatsApp? And yes, what's your opinion?
And maybe we will hang out more with our friends, and also when we are talking there is no someone who got how do I say it, who got distracting with their phone, so we just focus with our real connection in real life.
But it will make our communication longer than usual.
Can you repeat, Nindra?
Can you repeat what
Ini
I don't get you.
I just said before? Can you repeat it again?
no.
It's okay.
I think that's enough.
No.
To answer the question, maybe the answer will remains the same as what we as what remains we state today. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah. I don't think if WhatsApp disappear, it might anything could not be functioning normally as it used to. So you know what? Even our college, yeah, you know what? Even our college will not work, or there's no.
Without WhatsApp.
Because majority of our communication, our assignment that we have to do is got sent through WhatsApp.
I think if there's no social media such as WhatsApp, the way people communicating will get back to the time where we all used to use dial number to call or give an SMS like before. But if you talk about technology itself that disappear, we will get back to far more, right? When we use like letter, we will use post office to give to communicate with others, something like that.
And if social media disappear and feature like our campus broadcast will also not working, like we can know the information from our lecture. Like imagine if we came to the campus and suddenly the class is
So
it's cancelled. Like
that's all.
yes, it's all.
And I have the last question. If social media disappear, what is one thing that you really miss about it?
I feel actually when we are using social media, I think for me, nothing is special in social media. I mean, I just
Nothing special?
I mean,
No, there is something special.
I mean, I use it just for entertain myself. Like maybe if I do not do it apa sih?
yeah,
Bener kan?
not do it. Yeah, that's nice.
I mean, maybe if I don't do some activities in social media, it's fine for me. So,
So there is no matter to you if social media disappear.
maybe just we will feel more difficult in communication.
What? Come on, guys, tell me your opinion.
No opinion?
What?
Let me think for a minute.
Okay.
What I miss the most when social media, if social media disappear is what is it?
Dennis, louder, please, louder.
Is that
The music is.
is that I will not be able to send reels to my friend again because
Yeah.
That's your hobby.
yeah, that's one of my hobbies that I like to do on my free time. And you know what? The real question is, what will we be? What would we be if social media never exist at all? So maybe for me, maybe I don't even go to college at all. Maybe.
But what is the reason?
Maybe as what I said today, social media is the reason I'm learning English, right? So that's my birthday.
What I will miss the most if social media disappear is okay, the music is too loud. I use social media for communicating with my online friends that live far away. So if social media disappear, maybe I will miss them because I can communicate with them anymore. Yeah, and also I have no chance to learn new things because like I used to learn UTBK materials through YouTube, and if there is no YouTube, maybe I can make it to be college in UNES.
For me, if there's no social media, what I really miss will be the way I communicate, since I would rather communicate with just virtual world instead of direct. Ketemu langsung aja. Ketemu langsung.
Direct communication.
Bertemu langsung.
Oh, face to face.
Oh, face.
Meet.
Dari mana sih? Ulang ya. For me, if for me, if there's no social media, what I really miss is the way I communicate, since I'd rather communicate with people in message instead of face to face.
This is the last question, right?
Yes. Of course.
Maybe before we leave, I can make one last statement. If social media disappear, we will not eventually will not be able to continue or our prolonged friendship because we live very far away, right, from each other, when we return to my home. So if anything, if we like graduated from this college, I think there will be no way to continue our communication with them if there's no social media.
Alright, I agree with you.
Okay guys, that's all for our conversation today. In conclusion, if social media disappear, it would bring both benefits and challenges. Our life might become calmer and healthier, but also less connected. And therefore, instead of completely removing social media, it is better for us to use it wisely and in balance. Bye bye, see you in the next video.